Hey guys, welcome back to Claudia Cooks. Today I am feeling for some brown stewed chicken. So this is what we're going to be cooking today, and let's show you all the wonderful ingredients that we will be using today. What are we waiting for? Let's get cooking, people. Woohoo! Right, you know the score. The chicken has already been washed with lemon and vinegar, and then I've cut them into little pieces like this because I'm doing brown stewed chicken. So now we can add all our ingredients now. So starting off with some olive oil, black pepper, right, I've used a teaspoon and a half of onion granules and garlic granules, right, because they're salt free, so I could be a bit more liberal with that. And here we've got 1 teaspoon of Portland all-purpose seasoning, and in here we've got Portland premium chicken seasoning here, and we've got 2 teaspoons. It's about a 1/4 teaspoon. Not quite a teaspoon here, with about 3/4 teaspoon, I would say. But if you need more, you can add more, but it's brown stew, so I don't want it too dark. And to that, I'm just going to add a few bits of peppers, and some ginger, some garlic. I've got 4 cloves of garlic here that I will be using in this dish, and I'm adding some chopped onion, and I'm reserving the rest of this for a bit later on. Okay, I'm just going to put some thyme just to get some flavor while it marinates for about 20 to 30 minutes. I just thought about doing this today, so I didn't have time to marinate overnight. So I'm trying to get maximum flavors by adding all of these spices and aromats in here. Right, I'm adding half of a chicken stock cube because I don't have very much time for it to marinate, so I'm trying to intensify the flavor. So now we can give it a good massage with all of the spices and aromats in this. It's going to taste amazing. I just really massage all the flavors into this so we can get maximum taste and flavor. And after I finish doing this, I'm gonna cover it and pop it in the fridge, and then I'll be back when I'm cooking it. Okay, so it's time to fry off our chicken pieces, and to be honest, it had about an hour and a half because I got distracted doing other things. Right, so I'm just knocking off the seasoning. Right, I'm going to fry up all the batches, and that's going to take me about between 10 to 12 minutes. And once all of those have been fried, I will get back to show you the next stage. See you soon. Okay, all the chicken been fried, and now straight into this pan we are going to add, we've got bell peppers, tomatoes, spring onions, thyme, onion, garlic and ginger, and I've used half of a green pepper, half red pepper, and quarter yellow pepper, and I've used 2 tomatoes, 4 spring onions, thyme, garlic and ginger, and in the pan it goes. Little stir. What I'm doing now is deglazing the pan, and I'm just going to let that fry off for about 2 to 3 minutes, and we'll be back. It's time to add the chicken. Here we go. I'm gonna add it all back in. I'm gonna give this a good mix. Okay, that's all mixed in, and now I'm going to add the marinade we used to season the chicken up. I'm going to add all of that because it's all delicious flavor. I'm going to add half a pint of chicken stock, more if you like. And I love gravy, so I think I may add a tad more chicken stock to that. Scotch bonnet, maybe just a teaspoon, and some Gracie's tomato ketchup, maybe a tablespoon, and another splash Lee Perrin Worcester sauce. We're going to just mix that. I'm going to cover that and let that cook for about 15 minutes, and then I will come back and check for seasoning and then finish off the cooking process. So I'll see you then. Okay, this is the 15-minute point mark, but I did check it about 2 minutes ago and it was a wee bit spicy. So what I've done, I did a bit of honey to it and some butter and a dash of Maggi liquid seasoning, and it seemed to have done the trick. And I've also removed the pepper, so I'm just going to try it now. That is so much better, so much better now. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to put the lid back onto this, and I'm going to let that cook for 10 more minutes. Here you have it, guys, my delicious and tasty brown stew chicken. Look at that gravy, look at that, looking scrumptious. Can't wait to eat that. Well, I'm just gonna switch the fire off now, and then when I'm plating up I will come back. And here you have it, my delicious brown stew chicken. Look at that, tender pieces of chicken cooking a deep, rich and unctuous sauce. Tastes divine. I know you're going to love it. Enjoy.